In my system, you can notice that all the files having some very random extension, which is the Vfgj. In your case, it may be different, but uh, no any file will be in working condition. Okay, and all the file having this extension Vfgj or maybe anything, any random character, it can be happen. Okay, so in this case, what you can do, you can notice in all the folder, you can notice all the files are getting uh, encrypted, and also after the encryption there is a different extension. Okay, if I will go in the Twitter, you can notice. You may think that what if you will remove this extension, then is it will be okay, it will be play, it will work. So friends, it will not work. I tried, you can notice, I tried, I removed that extension bgfj random extension, but still it is not working. Its file is not working at all, you can notice. So you can notice it's not playing, and even image is not opening, not anything is happening here. In, or apart from that, in all the folder you will find a random one readme.txt file. If you will try to open this readme.txt file, then some of the information is written here. The information is actually, you can notice, attention, don't worry, you can return all your files. All the files like pictures, database, documents, other important are encrypted with strongest encryption and unique key. And for your information, after doing lots of research, I found that there are two type of encryption this virus are doing. And basically this virus is belongs to a ransomware. Okay, and all the file got encrypted, and you can only decrypt it or get that file returned after paying certain amount, $980. Okay, and it looks more genuine because virus itself done this encryption and they added one readme.txt file, so it seems more genuine. Definitely it's more genuine because they did, and they provided the information how you can recover it. But again, don't pay any amount, because there is no guarantee that they will recover your file. Maybe you will pay the amount and they will not reply and they will not respond. Okay, so if there is a important files, then how you can recover it, I am going to provide you all the detail, all the trick. Hopefully you will able to get that file, important file only. Okay, if you try to get all the file, then you can also do, but again there is a doesn't make any sense, because all the files are categorized with certain folder. Okay, so it means that uh, if you will recover all the file and it is not categorized with that particular folder, then it doesn't make any sense. Okay, because I already tried to decrypt, try to get that file recover, but I realized that in one folder all the files are come together, which I don't know in from what folder it comes from, and how I can do. There is a 500 item in this particular folder, and in another folder it is all are recovered. I can use it, but 500 items, 104 items. So again, for categorizing, creating folder, and based on the folder adding that file is very tedious task. It's not possible at all. As a human being you cannot do it. Okay, so maybe in your company, if any laptop, any system having hacked with this virus, then what you have to do? If this happen, then how you can recover? First and foremost, once this happen, then close, disconnect your internet. This is the first step, it's very important. Otherwise all the information will be get online. Okay, they will transfer the detail. Your PC becomes slow after this ransomware attack, this virus attack. What will happen that uh, your system becomes slow, and all the data start transferring to another place. Some of the information start transferring to another place. So make sure that disconnect from the internet. This is the first step, and second step is that go to the computer and then windows C, local disk C, maybe any disk where your windows is installed, and then you need to go to the windows folder, and on that windows folder you need to search for the system32. Okay, pqrs, S for system, so system32. So I need to scroll down a bit more, system32, and then you need to go to the driver. Okay, drivers and then etc, and in that etc you will find one file which is the host. Most likely in the host file there will be, this is the host file I already opened, there will be some of the lines of the code will be added. You need to remove that lines of the code. Okay, here you can see that nothing is present, nothing, absolutely nothing. All these are written with the comment. Okay, has is for the comments, so all are the commented. Apart from this, if anything is present, just remove it. As a layman I am talking about, because otherwise you will get confused. You, if you intentionally added something, then it's okay, but if you don't add, then you need to remove it. And most likely you will find wondershare.com, something this will be added, support.wondershare.net, platform.wondershare.com, something like that. You will get this information. Okay, I'm just removing it. You will get this type of thing will be added, just remove it, remove all these things. And after that you because you are using browser, and browse in the browser you are saving some of the password and some of the history and all these things you are having, and all these things basically store in your PC, in your system. So you need to remove all these things. So how you can remove? Just go to the system, and then you need to search for the users, and in the users you need to go to the your username, and on that particular username you need to search for the app data, and in the local you will find the Google, and delete it. After deleting, what happened that you maybe saved some of the password will be lost, it's okay. History will be lost, it's also okay. But this if you will do these things, then your password will be not leaked, not compromised. Okay, your Google account will not be hacked, otherwise Google account will get hacked. So make sure delete all these things. Maybe some of the application will not work as expected, but it's okay. It's okay because you saved some of the thing, like online credential and all this detail is stored in your PC will be gone, so you will be saved from it. Because bank is linked, maybe bank password you saved, Google password you saved. Okay, or any credential saved, or maybe cached. So all these things you need to delete it. So don't think that uh, it means you need to need to do the setup once again, some of the history will got deleted. It's okay, it's very better than hacked. Okay, so for avoiding hacking you need to do these things. Then after that you need to recover. For the recovering, I will put the link in the description. You just need to install that particular application. Again, I'm not sure about this application, it's maybe a virus, but again if you are able to decrypt it, then it's okay. Why I am saying that it's maybe a virus? Because see, this information is added here, and there are two type of encryption happen. One is offline, another one is the online, and most likely online encryption will be happen. So in this case what will happen, that you need to decrypt it. And just try to think who can decrypt. Those who encrypted, those who hacked, only that person, only that is a genuine person. Those who created the virus, only those can able to provide you and recover that files. Okay, apart from that it's very difficult. This is a genuine one. So most likely what you will do, you will try to search in the Google how to recover it. And most likely that uh, they are basically from group, those who created a virus, from that group they created a video in YouTube, and they will provide some of the information, and at the end they will recommend to use some paid software. But again, this is just maybe a trick to sell that particular software. Okay, so it means that particular software they want to sell it through this virus. It means they created a virus and they know that you will search the YouTube, they created a YouTube videos, and most likely you will check the video, then you will find that the video is uploaded soon, maybe in 1 day 1 week. Okay, because this type of extension is just a random extension, what I am showing you here, which is in my case Vfgj. It's a random extension, it can be anything. It's definitely, it can be anything, it doesn't matter at all. It's depend upon the hackers or virus. Based on that it will be added. Okay, and you will finding a video with this extension, that how you can recover this extension, then most likely that they just created a virus and paid to some YouTubers to create a video for it. And most likely they will promote some of the paid software, so never ever trust on that particular as well, because this is more genuine. This seems more genuine, but still I am not recommending to pay, because it doesn't make any sense. If they will not respond, then what you can do? Nothing. Okay, so in this case the only way is to this is software. I found this software from somewhere else. Okay, it's not my software, I'm not selling it. Just I try to search and I find it, and I try to recover it. That's why I'm recommending you. Okay, and I will put in my link in my website. Why? Because if you will try to download any cracked version of the software or any software, then you will find that there will be a lots of pop-ups will be open, lots of download button, accidentally click and something other software will be installed. Okay, so you will not get this type of thing in my link basically, because my link is, as you can see, it's a genuine website. I am providing some of the information as I am doing into YouTube. My YouTube account is hacked, as you can notice that there is a total 22K subscribers, and now there is a this channel doesn't have any content. Photos got like dog image is like this is the icon. It's becomes, and channel name get changed Shiba Inu Live, because it's hacked. My Gmail account, Google account hacked. Okay, Gmail account, Google account hacked, recovery email also hacked. They changed the password, they done everything. Okay, Google Drive hacked, all the AdSense account hacked, everything is hacked. Okay, and video you can notice there is the 500 to 700 video in my YouTube channel basically, but right now you can see only 19 videos is available with some random video. It's not uploaded by me. Elon Musk hib holder, SIB holder predict $2 something like that. And you will astonished that here you will notice that there is a 202 views, but like, if you think see the like 11K like, I don't know how it's happened. Okay, so basically this is hacked. So, and in your case it can be hacked. It's not like in I hacked, many people hacked. Okay, Google account will be hacked, and Google Drive having lots of information will also get hacked. So make sure that you need to disable this, disconnect the internet, and then remove the host file. Okay, in the host file remove the that line of the code which is not added by you. Okay, maybe you can empty, just remove it, just delete it, it's okay. These things, these examples you will find from the internet. Later on you can find it, so just remove everything. If you don't know anything, just remove it. It doesn't harm anything, because all are documented. Okay, so this will be not harm your system. And maybe on the other YouTube channel you will find some of the information like you need to go to the task manager, boot manager, and then registry. Okay, in the registry you need to do certain thing, be very careful and do certain changes in registry. Doesn't matter, don't do anything. Okay, just remove that just disconnect the internet, remove it, some of the lines of the code from the host. And the third step is that delete everything from your uh, local. If I will go to local disk C users, and then app username, and then app data, then local, you remove it, all these things. Okay, now you are safe and don't connect with internet. Just download the software which I am providing you. And again, after downloading, maybe you can download to some other platform, some other system. On that particular system, make sure that there will should be antivirus, so that no any suspicious any virus will be enter in your system. So install it, and then after installing, transfer in through the pen drive maybe, and don't connect to the internet. Okay. And on that particular application, you need to recover some of the file only, not all the file. Okay, because I tried all the file, and now look at it's, I cannot categorize all these things. All the recovered file is like this. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. It's not categorized. From here it comes, I don't know. So you just try to recover only the file which is very urgently you need. Otherwise you uh, don't recover it, because it will take some time, and you will not able to categorize. Okay. So now that software looks like in this way. Just need to select the file extension, what file extension you want to recover, like maybe a PDF, a JPG, MP4, something like that. Just check it, and check the checkbox. Okay, after checking these things, just select do a browse, and because this is the destination to save the recovered file. Okay, please select a destination to save the recovered file. So you need to select it, and then need to click the search. That's it, your important file will be recovered. And then I will highly recommend that don't install a antivirus as well, paid antivirus as well, because there is a no guarantee that that paid antivirus will able to remove that virus. Okay, there is a trust issue. I tried with this cache free antivirus, but still I am feeling that I noticed that some of the lines of the code here is added, and still my application, my system is not secure. It's my personal feeling. So that's why I am saying you just uh, reinstall the operating system. Okay, uninstall and reinstall the application operating system, or all the application. I know it's very painful, it's very difficult. You have done certain settings, again you need to set, but you don't have a choice. You cannot compromise with your software. Some of the information can be leaked online. Okay, so you don't want these things. Otherwise the extreme will be like this, like channel will be get hacked. In if you will go to the about, then you will notice that there is this much of view, location is United States. Your Facebook, your Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google Drive, Google, or recovery email, everything will be get hacked. So I don't want these things for you. So and don't because most likely that they will because if after getting this attack, this virus attack, you will go to the YouTube, you will search, and most likely the those who created a virus, from that community, from that group, someone created a video. Okay, so don't trust. They will say that don't trust this information, this uh, like what they information left, how to recover your file. But it seems more genuine, but they will say that it's not a genuine, I am genuine. How? Those who encrypted is more genuine person to decrypt it. But again, there is a no surety that after paying that particular amount, you will able to recover the file. So better important file you recover with this software, which I will provide. And again, I will provide with the less ads. And again, the ads will be from the Google ads. It's a very genuine ads. Okay, and again, I'm playing these ads to get certain thing to run this. You know, there is a cost involved in running this website. So that's why I'm adding some of the ads. So So please don't download random any application, don't watch any other YouTube video. This is a very genuine one. If you are watching, then it's okay, but don't buy any paid software. Otherwise there is a come from the same group want to sell some of the premium software. That's why they did. Okay, don't do it. And again there is a same again I don't know why Google are why people are able to bypass hacker are able to bypass actually two-step verification. I have a two-step verification, but still my account compromised, my Google uh, everything is hacked. Okay, recovery email hacked, YouTube account hacked, everything is hacked even if I have a two-step verification. Okay, just think about it. And if you want to give any suggestion and any ideas, or maybe with you this happened, then please share uh, into the comment section. Okay, this will help the others. Thank you for subscribing the YouTube channel. Have a nice day.